How are you? Alright, my name's Mr. Emmanuel, and today we are going to review Unit 9 and Unit 10. Just 2 units. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and the video. So we're going to start with Unit 9. Where does she work? Where does she work? Alright. So we have hospital, school, airport, police station, fire station, shop. I'll take that again. Hospital, school, airport, police station, fire station, shop. So, where does she work? Now we have the reading. My dad's a policeman. Where does he work? He works in a police station. Does your grandma work? No, she doesn't. Does your mom work? Yes, she does. She works in a shop. There are lots of cakes here, Tim. Yes, I know. My mom works in a cake shop. Have a cake, boys. Oh, thank you. Fantastic. Here we have, where does he work? He works in a police station. Does your mom work? Does your mom work in an airport? No, she doesn't. Does your dad work in a police station? Yes, he does. Does she work in a shop? Yes, she does. Where does he work? He works in a fire station, or he works in a hospital. She works in an airport. She works in a school. Okay? Then, I can also ask you, where do you study? I study in a school. Where does he study? He studies in a school. Alright. Lesson 3 and 4. We have station, station, zoo, zoo, supermarket, supermarket, bank, bank. Alright. Station, zoo, supermarket, bank. Now we have the reading, the song, places to go. Places to go, things to see, out and about, my mom and me. We go to the bank, we go to the park, we go to the zoo until it's dark. Places to go and things to see. I hope you still remember. You can look it up in YouTube. Lesson 4, the phonics. We have the long A sound. We say magic E makes the vowel long. That is, the E here is silent. We call it A. A. Lake, gates, face, plane. Lake, gates, face, plane. That is it. And we have this chanting. Open the gates, the gate, gate, gate. See the lake, lake, lake. It's lying on your face, face, face. Here's a cake, cake, cake. And lastly, we go to scale start. That is lesson 5 and 6. Here, we talk about she works at a zoo. She works at a zoo. Listen and read. I am at the zoo with Molly. Molly works at the zoo. She looks after the big animals. elephants, giraffes, lion, and tigers. Molly says, my favorite animals are the elephants. At the moment, we've got 6 elephants at the zoo. Molly gets up every day at 6 o'clock. She starts work at 7 o'clock. First, she feeds the lions and tigers. They eat meat. Then she feeds the giraffes and the elephants. They eat vegetables. All the animals drink water. Molly says, I go home at 3 o'clock. I'm always happy as I love my job. I love my job. Okay? Now, here we talked about circle the commas and underline and. Circle the commas, underline and. Don't forget we use commas to separate words when there are more than 2. When we have like 3 names, we use comma to separate the first 2 before we use and. So we say, for breakfast, I eat bread. You put a comma, cheese, and yogurt. So we use comma to separate 3 items. Comma and. Now we go over to lesson Unit 10. Unit 10 says, it's hot today. It's hot today. It's hot today. Raining, windy, hot, cold, snowing, sunny. Raining, windy, hot, cold, snowing, sunny. Let's walk to the shops. What's the weather like? It's sunny. Don't put on your coat, Billy. It's hot today. Oh no, it's windy. My hat, catch it. Oh no, now it's raining and we haven't got our umbrellas. Let's go home. Quick, Grandpa, open the door, please. Where's the key? Oh no, I haven't got the key. Oh no, you are all wet. So that's simple reading. I hope you still remember. Now, in lesson 2, we talked about what's the weather like. What's the weather like? It's cold. It's hot. It's windy. It's snowing. It's raining. It's hot. Alright. We have put on your coat. It's cold. Don't put on your coat. It's hot. Open the windows. Don't open the windows. Alright. Finally, next we have lesson 3 and 4. That is, fly a kite, make a snowman, wear coats, go outside. Fly a kite, make a snowman, wear coats, go outside. And then we have a song. You can look it up and listen to them. And here we have the long I sounds. The long I sounds. That's the I. Bike, kite, 9, white, line. Bike, kite, 9, white, line. Then we have the listen and chant. It says, ride your bike, fly your kite. The bike is red, the kite is white. White kite, white kite. Count the children in the line. All together there are 9. 9 in the line, 9 in the line. Okay? Then the last for today is the scale style. That is lesson 5 and 6. It says, here's the weather. Listen as I read. I hope you still remember. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. Here's the weather news. It's very cold outside. Wear warm coats and hats. Have a nice morning. That is for this one. Next, we have, here's the weather at 9 o'clock. It's raining now. Don't forget your umbrellas and your raincoats. Don't get wet. The next one. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. The weather now is sunny and hot. Don't forget your sun hat and sunglasses. Have a nice afternoon in the sun. And the last one says, it's 7 o'clock and here's the weather. It's very windy outside now. It's a good time to fly kite, but don't let your hands fly away. So, and here we talked about verbs and adjectives, and point, ask, and answer. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunny, raining, windy, cold, hot, snowing. It's Monday. What's the weather like? It's cold. Okay? And finally, we talked about adjectives and verbs. We said that verbs are doing words like stand, sit, jump, cook, while adjectives are describing words like big, small, yellow, brown, tall, short. Okay? Thank you for listening. Finish your workbook, and if you have any questions, you ask me in class. Have a nice evening and your day. Bye.